Hey guys, welcome to today's webinar. It will be the final episode of fabrics. This topic concerns the special properties of fabrics we have, how you could have a full info on fabrics. Let's get started here. Fabric properties are the characteristic of a specific fabric. It varies based on its texture, pattern, design, and structure. Build on your knowledge of these properties so that you can always choose the right textile for your project. I'm going to share 5 special properties of fabrics we have. They are waterproof, wrinkle resistant, flame retardant, UV protection, and spandex. Most are for typical products. I will explain each characteristic from definition, purpose, and application. How you could get a more comprehensive understanding of special fabrics. So, what is waterproof fabric? Waterproof fabric or water resistant material is a generalized term for any material which are resistant either fully or partially to water penetration. There is a difference between waterproof and water resistant. Fabrics and materials which are described as waterproof are fully resistant to water penetration, whereas water resistant fabric can only withstand partially for a limited time. Waterproof fabric is usually a textile that is compounded with polymer waterproof breathable materials. Waterproof fabric have many desirable qualities which make them appealing and necessary for a wide range of uses. They completely prevent the penetration and absorption of water in contrast to water repellent materials. Hence, this property this property is the basic demand for our tent and umbrella fabric. Meanwhile, nowadays, with the increasing need of waterproof, it has been widely used in the tablecloths and apron product as well. Let's go on for wrinkle resistance. This property becomes the basic need of tablecloth product. Natural fabric wrinkle a lot more. It's a finishing method for textile that avoid creases and wrinkles to provide a better appearance for the article. Here is a reminder that wrinkle resistance is not equal to the wrinkle-free type or non-iron free fabric in this market. Many clients don't understand the differences between wrinkle-resistant and non-iron types. In this part, I will enumerate the differences between them. The first basic difference lies in the fact that when it comes to non-iron material, you don't have to iron them. They look completely sharp, flawless, and professional throughout the day, and they will continue to do so even when they are not treated. Wrinkle-resistant fabric, on the other hand, require pressing or ironing after folding and washing. That is the type we currently have. Many clients wonder why tablecloths still have creases after receiving them. That is the reason. Then, fabric boasts the ability to resist creases in a short time, but not including folding and packing over a long period. So, still need your kind help to iron tablecloths after delivered. How you could have a clear idea of wrinkle resistance now. Besides the former two features are used in event material, flame retardant also plays a vital role to meet event standards. Fire resistant fabric, also known as fireproof or fire resistant, can be used to enhance safety in a variety of residential, commercial, and industrial applications. These fabrics are treated to resist fire more than others, making them a good choice for use in manufacturing facilities, warehouses, and other environments where such hazards may occur. They're also a fine option if you need material to meet very specific local, state, and federal fire management requirements. Our fire retardant fabric can meet the requirement of CPAI 84 at present. our material for tablecloths and tent is popularly provided this feature. A certificate is available at hand can share it with you if you need it. Much like you use your screen sun to protect your skin from the damaging effect of UV ray, your tent product should be equipped with its own version of SPF. When it comes to outdoor projects, the fabric you use in your outdoor living space need protection from the sun. UV damage can cause your once vivid fabric to degrade and break down faster, taking a toll on its durability and shortening its useful life. The term sunproof fabric can be somewhat misleading. There is no fabric in the world, even those engineered for NASA, that can withstand all UV rays for an indefinite amount of time. So, how do you measure how sun resistant a fabric is? Some damage and fading will inevitably occur over time, but a UV protection fabric should be able to resist significant fading for the expected lifetime of the display products. Our tan material, 600 Daniel pure polyester, bears this property. Moreover, under full color dye submitted, which ensures a clear and quick color. In the final part, let's talk about the stretch fabric. It is used for any textile woven or knitted, which is of high stretch and elasticity and easy to recover. This fabric has either a two-way or a four-way stretch, and the majority of wet native textile, such as stretch jersey fabric, are innately stretchy. Two-way stretches in one direction, usually from selvage to selvage, but can be in other directions depending on the need. Whereas a four-way stretch in both directions, crosswise and lengthwise, that is the type we currently use. Highly durable, stretchable, and affordable. Custom stretch fabric is highly versatile and can be used either on its own or mixed with other fiber to create material which are useful and functional. Stretch fabrics are used predominantly in the fashion and sportwear industry to provide comfort, fit, and flexibility as well as a beautiful aesthetic quality. The main property of stretch fabrics is their elasticity. Textiles such as stretch jersey fabric, stretch knit fabric, and stretch lace fabric are extremely popular thanks to their stretch and recovery rate. So, if your client wish a neat and professional appearance to tables, our premium quality spandex tablecloths are ideal to display logo advising a message and create an extra impact on event booths. Fabric knowledge is essential in the selection, design, and development of product for performance. On the other hand, it's important for those involved in textile design, manufacturing, fashion design, product development, fashion buyer, merchandising, quality control, fabric supply, and sales. It also becomes a unique selling point for marketing and promoting various scaling of new technology. Fabric properties affect cutting, laying out of fabric layers, and slick cast while handling fine denier or microfiber fabrics. Understanding fabric behavior and their characteristics will enable technician, technology, and designer alike to produce a display product, which is fit for purpose and with desired aesthetics. In addition, the producer should also assess the fabric interaction under dynamic conditions, flying and climatic conditions when extremely cold, warm to verify its suitability. Therefore, it becomes mandatory for the supplier and customer to have a wider understanding of fabric properties and characteristics. So, producing and choosing a performance product which is ideal for the chosen application. In this final episode of February, it is anticipated that the reader, after reviewing this chapter, will be equipped with new ideas and be motivated to further their vision on fabrics. By the way, we offer a fabrics watchbook for every customer who registers on CFM store. One piece is limited to each customer and 1 cent for each book as support, and you only need to pay the shipping cost to get it. This can also ship with your current CFM order to save your shipping costs. Okay, that's the end of today's webinar. If you still have questions about this subject, you can send email or contact us as the online concerts are online directly as the screen shows. We should get back to you. Thanks for your kind patience. Wish to see you in the next episode. Bye.